Ganito pala feeling mo nung nagmumuni-muni ka sa eskwelahan mo. Ang ganda pala, no? Bukod sa nilalanggam na iligod ko, there are so many leaves in the tree. There are so many fungi over there. Kung nakikita mo lang yung mga tanim ng mga below, what do you call that? Below student to you. Okay? Ang dami pa lang po pwedeng gawin dito sa loob ng eskwelahan mo. Nakaka-miss yung school, di ba? Suddenly in my life, gusto ko rin mag-school. Siguro next year. Balita ka dito. Pero ang sarap pala magmuni-muni, Parent Ted. Anyway, happy birthday, Parent Ted. More power sa success mo in life, in family, more blessings to come, at saka more life in the future to be wonderful yourself as a beginning of something independent that we can defend, that anyone could be each other like you are there for us, as a father of your two kids, as a husband in your wife, as a music in your song, as a bandmate in your band, and hope to be soon we will hit the kids. Okay?
Okay.
Muli-muli muna ako.